Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when you live in Canada, a lot of things you got to do it yourself, and some of these tasks are even mandatory. Right now, so one of those tasks is like when summer comes and sun shines bright, you have to do lawn mowing, because if you don't, city is gonna put a penalty in you in the form like they will give the contract to private contractors, and then whatever bill comes will be added to your property tax. So definitely that's not something that you would like. So today I'm doing lawn mowing. This is my front yard where I'm doing it, and also I'll be doing the backyard stuff also in some time. A lot of people, like here, nobody does it with hand tools. You can hear in the background somebody else is doing. One of my neighbors is also doing. So you have gas lawn mowers, you have electric lawn mowers. The one I have is electric lawn mowers, and there's a manual also, but I have not seen anyone using manual. But this is what you have to do. So if you come to Canada, make sure you prepare yourself to do this task as well. Thanks for watching.